Hello, hello, hello. Spartacus has decided to wash himself. Right, Spartacus? Yeah, he's in the video. Hi, baby. So he's going to be in the video the whole time. I figured maybe I just... Oh, this is private. Okay. Well, getting over the sinus infection, warming up your voice, getting ready for a show, whatever it is, let's start with a very simple exercise. Now, ladies, a lot of you aren't going to be down here, but you guys, definitely you can sing. And I can sing down here too. Now, I want to make sure that my cheekbones are lifted up. I'm thinking about the rear, the back of the throat, the roof of the mouth, lifting up, even with the low notes, blah, 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 blah. You want to think from the mandible up. Not a no. Now all of this, as you're doing it, you're fine. Take a breath in between. I'm going to go slow, about that tempo. Now, gentlemen, you're having a little of a challenge. Okay, now I'm going to go down a little bit lower. As you proceed higher and you feel that, wait, how am I going to keep the chest voice? It's a decision now, because there's an area where you're going to feel, okay, am I going to be able to keep going? Yes, you can. In chest voice, you can, up to a certain point, and then you're going to have to switch. Instead of doing that, if you know that you're really going to go high, and ladies, this is exactly for you too. If you know you're going to go high, your transition is going to be a little bit higher, then lighten up earlier. Don't wait till the last minute where your muscles are going, do it early. Get lighter early. You will be able to go into falsetto or into head voice. And he's just having a ball here, aren't you, darling? Okay, gonna make sure everybody can see you because you're just too much, right? Okay, I'm going to go down here. Some of the ladies, you're joining us. Think lifted up in the back. Everyone, you take a breath. Notice I'm lighting a little bit. Gentlemen, lighten a lot. Lighten a lot. There, did you hear me? Different than chest voice, ladies. How do I think of it coming out? High. Gentlemen, you're in falsetto. Ladies, you're definitely. There you go. Now in the back of the throat, you really want to think lifting up high. You don't want to get any louder, even though a lot of you louder and louder as you're going higher. No, don't get louder. Get up higher with lifting. Think wide in the back, depends on your voice and how wide you want to think, but those are the arches in the back of the throat. Think here. Coming out forward. Think up high. Keep the air flowing. There you go. You got it. Up high. Hear how I'm faltering a little bit? First time doing it today. What can I say, honey? Okay. Now, I'm going to go back down. This is the back of the throat. Out here. Take a breath. high off the roof. That's it. Keep taking a breath. How do you breathe? Midsection. Coming out forward. Off the roof. Take a nice breath. I got the smile going. Oh yeah, here we go. Yes, yes. Keep thinking light. Don't get heavy just because you can. Hello, darling. Now you'll naturally go into chest voice if you stay nice and light. Gentlemen. Keep the lift. From the mandible up. Don't lower. Yeah. Keep taking the breaths. Yes. And you can go down lower. I know. Okay, this is enough. Now, problems that occur as you're going up, gentlemen, you're going to feel it first. Like I said, when you get to the point where you're starting to feel a little push on the muscles, you need to be intelligent about it, only because we're going high. So the reason that we're going high is because we want a full extent of your range. Feel how it is, how you feel today, honey. You feeling okay? You're going to give me more sound? Because you have to see where the muscles are at. This is just to see where things are at. So you're going to lighten up early, not late. So you don't want to hear I'm trying oh my gosh, what's wrong, and I can't sing, and it's like, no, you're just not allowing your muscles to do their work where they need to do it. Going really high, you don't want to hear that. And in a song, you don't want to hear that. So what you do is lighten up early. The same thing in a phrase in a song. Lighten up early. And then as you go through that phrase, if you're going to do it in that lighter sound, in that head voice, lighten up early, you won't hear any problem. You won't have a glitch. Same thing. Female, male, doesn't matter. The ladies, you're going to be a little bit later that you're going to have to do that, but you're still going to have to lighten up early. In the song, lighten up early. That's if you're doing that. When you're going up and you need to bring chest voice in there and you have to go up and you have to really mount the offensive because you're going to keep it loud, and that's a later exercise that we'll do. Then, and in the song, okay, then you've got to mount the offensive. Then you've got to keep your intensity going. Yes, the loudness. You can't question it as you're going for it. When you practice, yeah. Okay. Now we're going to do a nice note. It's not too high for the ladies, and it depends on you guys. A lot of you guys can sing this. Think of air flowing like. What that will do will allow the soft palate, that uvula in the back, to lift up, but not airy once you have the tone. And notice I'm lifting up. A lot of people say, oh, sorry, no. How do you want the sound to leave your mouth? Off the roof of the mouth, please. Thank you, darling. Okay, here we go. As you go down, that is your lightest note. The highest note is your loudest, and you don't punch it. You allow it to come out. You know, everything in singing, like it's smooth. When you're practicing. Off the roof of the mouth. Taking the breath. Notice I stay up. bottom. Don't lean down. Don't pull down. Don't make it louder at the bottom. Oh, now I can make it. I can change. Don't do that. Lighten up. Remember, these are beginning ones. We're warming up the muscles. We're seeing where they are. I can, but I'm not going to do that, right? What am I playing? Those muscles up. This is the most vulnerable part of your voice. If you end up being hoarse, right where that transition is for you guys, right about here. Okay, around middle C and higher. Right there is where it's going to falter if you're really in trouble. So that's why you want to test it and see, how does everything feel? And remember, after you've done a hard show, after you've done really hard stuff, then you want to do a little gentleness the next day. You want to keep, like the lactic acid here. Okay, I'm going to leave this out because our boy is not. He's just meowing. You want to test it out. You want to ease the muscles. And there you are. Hi. See, he agrees. Come on over here. He says, will you leave me out? And I said, no, you're going to get in trouble. Right, baby darling? Right, baby? Oh, you are the guy. Yes, you are. All right. Now, maybe I should leave this to the next one. So, summary, you're checking out how the voice is. You're being very aware not to push the voice too much. Guys, bring up the chest voice. If you just want to do this up to a certain point, then go for it. If you are already a pro and you know how to work the muscles and you can do like right in the middle and you can punch it a bit there, great, go for it. You know your voice. The ones who do not per se know your voice too much, you've got to take from this, start learning your muscles. Feel how they feel, okay? Don't just go for it. Don't just punch things out. This is the time that you warm up, you check, you see what's going on, okay? I hope this is helpful. Subscribe. I'm going for what I've got. I don't even have 200 subscribers. You guys got to come it together, right? Spartacus agrees. Oh, there he is. I'm going to give that Rubbies look. Oh, well, I feel good. You know that I would. See, now I'm going to get guttural. I love singing that way. But when I vocalize, I warm up with that head voice, and I see where I'm at, and then I start doing other exercises, hit high notes, sing nice and loud. We're going to get to that. What did you say? Oh, he wants you to subscribe.